To set up electronic benefits transfer at your store, start by understanding what EBT is and how it works. EBT is a system that allows recipients of government assistance programs, such as food stamps, to pay for eligible items using a plastic card, similar to a debit card. First, determine if your store is eligible to accept EBT by checking with your state's EBT program administrator. You will need to meet certain requirements, such as selling eligible food items and having a point-of-sale system that can process EBT transactions. Next, contact a payment processor that offers EBT services and apply to participate in the program. You will need to provide business information, such as your store's name, address, and tax ID number, as well as information about your point-of-sale system. Once you have been approved, you will need to install EBT processing software on your point-of-sale system. This software will allow you to process EBT transactions and track customer purchases. You may also need to obtain an EBT terminal, which is a special device that reads the customer's EBT card and communicates with the payment processor. To process an EBT transaction, the customer will need to swipe their EBT card and select the type of benefits they want to use, such as food or cash. You will then need to enter the amount of the purchase and verify that the customer has sufficient benefits to cover the cost. Best practices for setting up EBT at your store include training your staff on how to process EBT transactions, displaying clear signage indicating that you accept EBT, and having a plan in place for handling any issues that may arise during a transaction. It is also important to ensure that your point-of-sale system is secure and compliant with all relevant regulations. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully set up EBT at your store and provide a convenient and secure way for customers to use their government assistance benefits.